Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Keranique brand, their anti-dandruff shampoo and scalp restoring conditioner. It's gentle for hair that uses color treatment. It's best for thinning hair and dried scalp. It gets excellent customer ratings. So this is an anti-dandruff shampoo for women. Provides relief of typical symptoms of dandruff. And it's a flake-fighting conditioner that's included. And it's got this cool looking bottle on here, and it's got a safety seal on here that you can remove, but this has a really nice scent to it. It's a minimal scent. Let's just take a look. It smells really good. This company spends a lot of time getting the scents of their products just right, not overpowering. So my wife loves this product, and she's going to talk a little bit about it right now. So after trying this shampoo, what do you think about it?
I love it. It's making my hair real shiny and smooth.
Yeah, it looks really nice. What do you think about the scent of it?
It's very subtle. I like it a lot. It's very subtle. It's not overpowering and perfumey.
So what did you think about the scent of the shampoo and the conditioner?
It had a real subtle scent. It's very pleasant, not overpowering.
So after trying the shampoo and the conditioner, what do you think about it?
I like it. I'm definitely going to buy it again.
Would you give the shampoo conditioner a 5-star rating?
Of course, it's great.